Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to day two. So we're going to be looking at how to connect our models today, but I just want to quickly mention, I think it's going to make sense to provide a video which look at the Azure node specifically because I think some companies would be interested in that. So I'm going to do that as one video. Once I'm pretty much done with the core set of nodes, I'm going to do like a side video on the Azure nodes as well. But the next note we're going to look at today, we're going to look at how to select our models. We're going to look at two notes. We're going to look at the chat completions and the LLM one. The chat completions nodes, these models are pretty much, they're also large language models, but they're trained specifically for chat situations. So you just connect this to your authenticator, and you remember you have to provide your API key in the credentials node, and you can go in here and select your model. Let's say we want to go with GPT-4, the 32 key context window one. We want to do maybe a response length of up to 2000. You can control this, how many tokens maximum you can get. The temperature pretty much dictates whether your response can be creative or if it's more rigid. The lower the temperature, the more rigid it is. There's advanced settings here. You can get more than one completions if you want to. So if you want variants of the responses, you want to set this to more than one. And the top P is also a similar concept as this. The lower the number, it's gonna return that percentage of the most probabilistic words, basically. So this really, the lower, again, the more rigid it is. I'm going to share an article that explains these two concepts pretty nice. I'm going to put that in the comment section. You might not see right away because this is going to be a scheduled video. So once I come back to LinkedIn after this is posted, I'm going to post a link to that article. So these are the settings you can play with. And in the second node, which is just the LLM connector node, you have 3.5 turbo, you instruct, you have Barbage, and you have DaVinci. And you can also similarly set the maximum tokens, the temperature, the completions generations, and the top P sampling. So we can run both of these nodes, and since we've already provided our API key, and since we've authenticated ourselves on the OpenAI API side, these models are connected and we can build some cool workflows and applications using these. And to see this being progressed further, tune in tomorrow and we're going to see the next node in the sequence. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. I hope you have a very, very nice day. Goodbye.